KITTEN. Rode 6-5, final favorite. And Quissimi with My Sister Esther under starter Blue Knott's orders in the gate. And the off. There's Wanda broke sharp. Here's the inside Chosen Facts along with Wind Dust buying early. There's on the outside Francis Leo along with Army and My Sister Esther are cluster them as they charge into the first turn. 5-6 abreast. My Sister Esther is the wideout, and it's Chosen Facts who takes the shortest way around there for Manny Esquivel. Chosen Facts leads Wind Dust at the inside. Then in between horses, Fire Dust is right there. Francis Leo. Army is prominent. My Sister Esther is hung out to dry. Saving ground at the inside is Shatter, and also in and amongst the leaders now as they go up the back of the course. Saving ground at the inside is Where's Wanda, who broke sharp enough. Then comes Follow the Kitten settled, and working up the fence is This Minute, the quarter in 25 and 1/5 seconds. Chosen Facts just leads in the shadow of the half-mile pole. Very well grouped. Shatter now moves through underneath of Chosen Facts, and they're head-to-head. Wind Dust third and on the speed. Fire Dust comes up the fence. On the outside is Army, who's 4 from the front. Then comes Where's Wanda? Follow the Kitten, picking it up now. The final favorite, Follow the Kitten, racing 5 from the front with inside 3 furlongs to go and gaining. Then comes This Minute, who dropped back to Francis Leo, and My Sister Esther tailed off. Half mile in 50 and 2/5 seconds. Wind Dust turns them in. Wind Dust, Chosen Facts is pitched out and is kicking back at the inside. Fire Dust, Follow the Kitten, now swoops down into action for Florent Geroux. Fire Dust was put in tight quarters, forced to alter course on the outside, whereas Wanda's staying on. Follow the Kitten led from Chosen Facts. Here comes Fire Ship, and on the outside, where's Wanda? It's Follow the Kitten by 3/4 of length to Fire Ship. Then Chosen Facts and Where's Wanda. This Minute finished 5th, and Wind Dust was 6th. The others up the course. (10-8) and then a show photo. Number 10, Follow the Kitten, and even money lands the rest of the day. 8 Fire Ship at 7 to 1 second. It's a show photo. Hold all tickets please until official. Standing by for the jackpot high 5 numbers. 10-8 and a show photo. 144 fifths. Follow the Kitten. Florent Geroux won the first and now last of the day. This are Dare to Dream Stable and the Mike Stidham Barn. Even money. Final favorite home. Number 1, Chosen Facts at 20 to 1/3. 4, Where's Wanda at 11 to 1 will be the 4th horse. And the 6, This Minute, 5th for the jackpot high 5. It's 10-8, 146. 10-8, 146.